everyone. मैं अनुराग from Maple Planet Immigration, Toronto, Canada. Guys, hope you and your family is safe and healthy. Guys, आज ਆਪਾਂ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਡਿਸਕਸ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਸਪਾਊਸਲ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟ ਐਪਲੀਕੈਂਟਸ ਬਾਰੇ ਡੈਡੀਕੇਟਿਡ ਟੂ ਵਰਕ ਪਰਮਿਟ ਐਪਲੀਕੇਸ਼ਨਸ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਪ੍ਰਾਇਮਰੀ ਐਪਲੀਕੈਂਟ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਐਂਡ ਦ ਸਪਾਊਸ ਇਜ਼ ਐਲੀਜੀਬਲ ਫॉर ਓਪਨ ਵਰਕ ਪਰਮਿਟ. ਸੋ ਗਾਇਜ਼ ਮਾਰਕੀਟ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਈ ਐਮ ਹਰਡਿੰਗ ਅਬਾਊਟ ਸੈਵਰਲ ਮਿਥਸ. ਪਹਿਲੀ ਮਿਥ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ ਇਜ਼ ਲਾਈਕ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਪ੍ਰਾਇਮਰੀ ਐਪਲੀਕੈਂਟ ਐਂਡ ਦ ਸਪਾਊਸ ਦੇ ਕੈਨ ਟਰੈਵਲ ਟੂਗੈਦਰ ਐਂਡ obviously primary applicant ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੋਗਾ ਉਹ ਸਟੱਡੀ ਵੀਜ਼ਾ ਤੇ ਟਰੈਵਲ ਕਰਦਾ ਐਂਡ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਪਾਊਸ ਹੈਗਾ ਐਂਡ they can travel on a dedicated dependent spousal open work permit. And second ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈਗੀ guys ਉਹ ਹੈਗੀ ਕਿ primary applicant ਨੂੰ and spouse ਨੂੰ they have to minimum wait for 6 to 12 months to get their application process. So stay tuned guys. The first point ਜਿਹੜਾ primary applicant ਹੈ and ਜਿਹੜਾ spouse ਹੈਗਾ ਉਹ ਇਕੱਠੇ travel ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ. They are not allowed to travel. So how it goes, ਜਿਹੜਾ primary applicant ਹੈਗਾ study permit, study visa will be issued and they'll travel to Canada. ਉਹ ਇੱਥੇ ਆਪਣੇ DLI approved college 'ਚ enroll ਹੋਣਗੇ. They'll start their classes and as soon as they start their classes and they are enrolled, so they will need at least 2 to 3 documents, required documents from their school or college to apply for their spouse as an open work permit. So they can't travel together guys. So you have to keep in mind when if you are applying as a spousal application, so the primary applicant will travel first and then the spouse can accompany the primary applicant. It can take up to 2 to 3 months or depending upon the IRCC processing time, but you have to keep in mind you guys can't travel together. Guys, discussing about the second point, ਜਿਹੜਾ second point ਸੀਗਾ ਆਪਣਾ ਉਹ ਸੀਗਾ ਕਿ primary applicant ਨੂੰ study visa issue ਹੋਣ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ and they travel to Canada, they have to minimum wait for at least 6 months to apply for their spousal case. Guys, are true ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗਾ. As soon as primary applicant college ਵਿੱਚ enroll ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ and they have the substantial required document by IRCC, they can apply for their spousal open work permit. So they don't have to wait for 6 months, 8 months or even a year. As soon as they join college, they have the required documents. They are eligible to apply for their spouse for open work permit. But discuss ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ about the documents ਜਿਹੜੇ primary applicant ਨੂੰ ਚਾਹੀਦੇ ਆ to apply for their spousal open work permit. First of all is the document called study permit which is issued by CBSA at the port of entry. So ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ study permit ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ. Second is the LOA from the college ਜਿਹੜੇ ਉਹ travel ਕਰਦੇ ਆ college ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ LOA issue ਕੀਤਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ. Second is the most important one is the enrollment letter. So enrollment letter is a letter from a college which states that a primary applicant is a full-time student in whatever course they were enrolled in. The letter has a start date, ਉਹਦੇ start date ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ and expected end date ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ. So this is a most important document. The third one is they have to get a marriage certificate or whatever documents to prove their marriage, and they also need bank statement or proof of funds to show their financial ability. So they have to show that they have enough money to support themselves. We can also use a letter from a temple or a gurdwara which states that the marriage was done on which date and a name of bride and groom. And thirdly, ਆਪਾਂ wedding pictures we use ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ on a positive note to support our application. So these are all important documents which are really essential for a spousal dedicated open work permit guys. And guys, ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੀ ਐਪਲੀਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਆਉਂਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ 'ਚ ਕੇਸ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਮੈਰਿਜ ਵਾਸ ਡਨ ਆਫਟਰ ਵੀਜ਼ਾ and then they haven't informed IRCC about the change of the marital status. So guys, ਆਹ ਬਹੁਤ important ਹੈਗਾ. So in any case ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਨਫੋਰਮ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ then we might also need certain more supporting documents to get a positive result for you. So guys, always keep in mind because marital status is very important as in case of immigration, because as you will be using all the other services to sponsor your spouse, whether it's a permanent resident or if they want to apply for an open work permit. So guys, ਜੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਈ ਹੋਰ ਵੀ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ, if you are thinking of applying as a spousal case or on a student visa, guys, please contact Maple Planet Immigration. We'll be always happy to help you. Thank you so much.